那么心智生产力呢，咱们习总书记提出来的一个非常重要的概念，它的一个本质呢，就是先进的生产力。
This concept of non-productive forces, for me, has been really interesting. We as Latin Americans have to study more this concept and try to understand the style of development of China, so we can have some lessons to develop our productive forces.
I hope that this visit will maybe, not just for myself, but also for the others, will stimulate us all to learn our language, learn our thinking, and not copy your model of development, but create a new development that could be applied to the region as a whole. The development China has achieved is so huge that only when you come here you witness it. The level of the development of the city, the problems that you're facing and how you can solve them is everywhere. You can see it everywhere, but you have to have eyes to see.
为什么新质生产力在中国是如此重要的一个概念？也期待接下来大家更多的讨论。谢谢大家。